Today we are here in Coron, Palawan. So we just arrived and we will be going straight to our hotel for a quick check-in and freshen up, and later on we'll tour around the town of Coron. We are on the next stop of our Coron town tour, and we are here now at the St. Augustine Parish Church. This church has been built for more than 100 years already, but this is not yet the oldest church here in Coron. Meron pa daw isa pang older than this church, kaya lang mas malayo na sa town, so hindi na natin mapupuntahan. And tara, pasukin natin yung church. So guys, this is our third stop of our Coron tour, and our guide said that this will take you 760 steps inclined. So let's see if I can make it to the top. You'll see the 360 degrees of Coron daw sabi. Ayan o. So we'll see more of that when you reach the top. So ngayon, 760 less 150, we still have more than 500 steps more. So tara. So we've reached almost the top of this hill, and again we've climbed for about roughly 700 steps, because this is not yet the top. Mayroon pa din naakitin. But for your reference guys, dun kami galing. So you can really see kung gaano siya ka-challenging. Ayan. But if you reach the summit of this hill, you'd see this view. Look. So despite of this, all the sweating, the hingal and pagod, you'll have this view. Nice one, Coron. So we are in our fourth stop in our Coron day tour, and now we are in Maginit Hot Spring. The hot spring temperature is about 40 degrees Celsius. So for those who have hypertension, you're not allowed to stay longer in the pool. You only have 10 minutes, and then you go up and then rest, cool down, and then you can again go back for another 10 minutes. There are lots of therapeutic advantages when you swim in a hot spring. So let's try. Okay, tara. We're here now sa hot spring. And guys, mainit talaga. Subukan natin mag-heat. So last video na pala. Oo, hindi pala pwede malublog. Masarap siya. Sarap. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to click that notification bell. Alright, see ya.